Alright everyone, welcome to this channel, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make a flyer design on CorelDRAW. And this will not be the only tutorial we'll be making by the grace of God. We're going to be making different kinds of tutorials so that you can grab from. And also I'll be in the comment section for all your questions, and you can also check my Instagram handle if you have any question. Also you can message me. So alright, let's jump straight into the tutorial. First and first, Control I, import, and now we have import command here. So yeah, for this tutorial sake we'll be using this element to achieve our design. So yeah, that's it. Have this, you can try to create your own too. That's a rectangle to then hold control, then draw your box to perfect the shape of the box, make it square. You can see it here, 7.148 by 7.148, so that to perfect the shape, and which is Instagram's shape. It's part of their shape too. I think they have the square shape and they also have the portrait shape too, and different ones. But if you want a perfect shape, a square, so you can just hold the control, and you can also like draw anyhow. But as for my own shape, I don't need all those ones. I don't need to start drawing then start changing the size here to 3x3 or maybe 7x7 to now make it okay. I locked it, so I don't need all of this as for me. So that's the reason why I just like did it like that. So I don't need all of this, I don't need this. So I just come here, hold control, and draw. It is a perfect square, straight, bam. Alright, so let's move on. So after this, then you come here. So you can notice as I was moving it, it didn't leave. As I was moving it, it didn't leave this line. You understand? It was because I was holding control. Also, I was holding control just to make it straight. Sometimes you might want to. You will really need this. So let me just say that you really need this. So holding control so that your elements will stay in line. This picture. So you right click, drag it to the bottom, power click inside, then you have it. Double click, adjust what you want to adjust. So that is better than going to objects and finding power click. Your time is wasting. So that is it. Alright, so as I moved it into the page, now was just pressing only letter P, bam, then it is right at the middle of the page, center of the page. So remove the outline, we don't need that. So now let's start being more creative. Okay, this is at the downside of it, so we need to bring it up. So by bringing it up, we press shift page up so that it can come up. So then this white, these spaces are too much, the node are too far from the picture. So we go to this space, or better still, we just press F10 on your keyboard. So then you hold shift, you hold control, then bring it, highlight both elements together, you hold control, then bring it up like this, highlight both, hold control, shift it so that it will be closer, unlike before it was like this. So it is more closer now. We can still bring it a little closer. So for most of you wondering that why am I bringing it closer, just to be able to control it more. That is why I'm bringing it closer. And this tool I'm using now can actually crop the image like this. You understand? So we don't need to crop the image, we just want to bring it closer. You can also increase it like this, then the node will shift here. You understand? The node will shift here. So you can also, if you want to increase it to like this, the node would shift to this place. So you understand? So we don't need all of that. We need the node to be closer here, and we need the node to here, so that it will be closer and be easy to adjust anytime we want to. So you understand? So that's that for that. Alright, so let's begin our creativity. So for the sake of this design, I'll be using the word good vibe on the vibes only. So yeah, and also this tool here, you can easily go to it by pressing F8. Alright, F8, so you get it immediately and start typing instead of coming here. You understand what I mean? So by just pressing F8, you have it already. So instead of going here like this, I'm just teaching you guys so that you guys would know how to make designs fast like that. So you understand? So that's it. Alright, so using good vibe, then you come here to change fonts. We come here to change fonts. This is it. This is where we change font list. Click on it, then you look for your fonts. I'm using this font. Alright, so yeah, you can increase it from here, from the node here. If you should increase it like this, then you are dragging it like this. You understand? So if you should increase it like this, you're dragging it like this. You should increase, also you can try to play around with all these things, but don't scatter CorelDRAW, please. Don't scatter CorelDRAW. Don't scatter CorelDRAW. If you scatter CorelDRAW, you might not know how to even rearrange it back, except if someone just teach, because they have been some kind of experience that people just scatter. In process of learning, they just scatter CorelDRAW. But actually, me, I'm just like trying to teach you guys this thing so that at least you will not be wondering like, what's this thing for? Something like that. You will not be wondering. So you get everything here. So that's the reason why I'm just teaching you, so that you would know, be more exposed like that. Alright, so if you get here now, hit the subscribe button. Subscribe now, so that you can get more of these videos like this. And I will not answer anybody that did not subscribe to my channel. Just have that, but I'm just joking actually. But make sure you just show love. Alright, so let's go back to the video. If you want to double this, you come here, right click, then shift it down the way you want, still holding the left click on your mouse and also the control on your keyboard at the same time. Alright, so hold it, then it doubles. So now if you want to double this repeatedly without doing anything else, this is your action. So you want to repeat it, you press Ctrl till you're satisfied. But I don't think I need to do that. Alright, so you understand what I'm saying now? Alright, so all of these, you give outline like this, you right click on black, you give outline, then yeah, boom. So you have the outline here. So transparency, we just give it some kind of depth like that, so that will make it look more creative like that. So yeah. Alright, so we have it here, we have this one here. So let's try to add some little creativity here. So the box, this rectangle is F6 for the shortcuts, just as I was teaching you the other shortcuts. Alright, don't do without checking them out, because they're actually going to make your work faster. Alright, so let's be more creative. yeah. So bring this one up like this, and then this we want insert color, you know, the way this popped out, you know. If you just click like this, you might not get anything, you know. So the way, if you want the rest of what is inside this tool to pop out like that, you hold on click, you know, you hold on click here, then color eyedrop is going to show up. So don't be surprised about that. That's just the secret. It's simple. CorelDRAW is simple. Most of y'all just think CorelDRAW is hard. CorelDRAW is not hard. Don't think CorelDRAW is hard. You should look at it like don't look at it like plane, like as if you don't drive plane. You're not driving plane here. So alright, so let's go F10, then yeah, then you crop this. I told you that you can use this also for cropping the other time. Alright, there are different ways we can actually crop on CorelDRAW, but we're using shape tool to crop here. So yeah, like this. Then this is how I just want mine. You can actually make yours also, you know. So show me if you have any question. I would look into it. If you have any question, just let me know. I'll look into it. Alright, so yes, we have this like this. Then I want it duplicated like this. Alright, so let's go back now. So come here like this. I already taught you how to duplicate, you know. Then if you want to flip it, you come here. This is mirror, and if you want it upside down, you know, vertical like this. Alright, so you grab that now. So let's move on. So on this like this, let's increase it a little bit because so as to achieve something good, you know. Alright, let's try to match this vibe here, just to match, you know. And zoom, you press Z on your keyboard, zoom pop up. So zoom out, you can use your mouse to zoom out, and also your keyboard F3 zooms out on CorelDRAW. So you might not know that before, you know now. Subscribe. So alright, then we bring this in. Good vibes, and okay, luckily we have this down already and where we want it to be. Okay, so let's centralize it. Centralizing, you highlight both objects, then press C, centralize it. So alright, so now I want to change the color. Now I think white is better, yeah, you know, just to make it have that kind of, you know, musical vibe, music poster vibe, you know. So yeah, let's put some words, vibes. And I think we're messing up somewhere. Let's zoom in. Yeah, you know. Alright, so you need to click it to edit it. If you don't highlight any object on any element on CorelDRAW, you can edit it. So you need to highlight it first. If you highlight this one, you edit it. You highlight this one, you edit it. So you understand that. Alright, so let's continue. So with this, you come here, you know, you already know how to change fonts. Let's use poppins, yeah. Alright, just to match the vibe, you know. Alright, so what do y'all think about this? But then we're not done in the kitchen, you know. We're not done in the kitchen. Alright, so let's come here, effect, then we come to texture. So if you have watched my 3D tutorial, you should know about this. If you have not watched, you should go now and watch. Go now and watch that tutorial, you know. Alright, so we just giving it some. Okay, I think this is better, right? Alright, so we have this. So yeah, now you have this. Alright, so thank you for watching this tutorial, and I would be expecting your feedbacks about this tutorial. And if this tutorial ever helps you, click the subscribe button, like, and show love by sharing. Also, I'll also be expecting your messages